Learn Gujarati with daily routines. I get up at 7 o'clock and.
તમે આજે આવો છો.
Welcome to the messy morning. Hey, you are in the right place if you want Gujarati that actually sticks in your brain. Today you will learn with a sleepy room, a surprise guest, and possibly the most dramatic light switch in history. Our hero begins the day with noble intentions and questionable hair. He stretches, looks at the clock, and proudly says,
હું 7 વાગ્યે ઉઠું છું.
Very good. That means, I get up at 7 o'clock. Then he looks around the room. Oh no, a sock is on the lamp. A book is on the pillow. A pillow is somehow on a chair like it pays rent. So he sighs with dignity and says,
હું ઓરડો ગોઠવું છું.
Yes, I tidy up the room. Just when the room starts looking respectable, a message arrives.
તમે આજે આવો છો.
You arrive today. Suddenly this is no longer cleaning. This is emergency diplomacy. Phrase power. Now let's slow the scene down and grab the key Gujarati lines one by one. Say them with confidence, even if your blanket still misses you. First phrase.
હું 7 વાગ્યે ઉઠું છું.
I get up at 7 o'clock. Second phrase.
તમે આજે આવો છો.
You arrive today. Third phrase.
અમે તમને પછી ફોન કરીશું.
We will call you later. Fourth phrase.
તે લાઇટ બંધ કરે છે.
He turns off the light. Fifth phrase.
હું ઓરડો ગોઠવું છું.
I tidy up the room. Tiny memory trick.
હું
Is I.
તમે
Is you.
આજે
Is today.
પછી
Is later and.
બંધ.
Gives you the idea of off or closed. A very urgent house story. Let's put everything into one playful story so the words feel alive. Listen like a movie narrator is standing in your kitchen. It is morning. Our hero announces.
હું 7 વાગ્યે ઉઠું છું.
And tries to look productive. Then he sees the room and admits.
હું ઓરડો ગોઠવું છું.
Because if he does not, future historians will call this place the Great Disaster Zone. While folding clothes, he gets a message from a friend.
તમે આજે આવો છો.
You arrive today. He freezes, the chair freezes, even the sock freezes. He cannot talk now because he is busy rescuing the room, so he sends a calm reply to the group.
અમે તમને પછી ફોન કરીશું.
We will call you later. Evening comes, the guest is here, everyone chats, and finally one polite person saves electricity and bedtime by saying.
તે લાઇટ બંધ કરે છે.
He turns off the light. The end. The room survived. Barely. Mini dialogue drill. Time to speak a little. Repeat after each line and enjoy sounding smarter than your untidy furniture. A. What time do you get up? B.
હું 7 વાગ્યે ઉઠું છું.
A. When do you arrive? B.
તમે આજે આવો છો.
A. Can we talk now? B.
અમે તમને પછી ફોન કરીશું.
A. What does he do before bed? B.
તે લાઇટ બંધ કરે છે.
A. What are you doing with that messy room? B.
હું ઓરડો ગોઠવું છું.
Quick quiz, no panic. You are doing great. Let's test your memory with a few fast questions before your brain tries to escape through the window. How do you say, I get up at 7 o'clock?
હું 7 વાગ્યે ઉઠું છું.
How do you say, you arrive today?
તમે આજે આવો છો.
How do you say, we will call you later?
અમે તમને પછી ફોન કરીશું.
How do you say, he turns off the light?
તે લાઇટ બંધ કરે છે.
How do you say, I tidy up the room?
હું ઓરડો ગોઠવું છું.
Friendly wrap up. You made it through the messy room adventure. That already means you practiced real Gujarati in a fun way. Today you learned 5 useful Gujarati sentences.
હું 7 વાગ્યે ઉઠું છું. તમે આજે આવો છો. અમે તમને પછી ફોન કરીશું. તે લાઇટ બંધ કરે છે.
And
હું ઓરડો ગોઠવું છું.
thank you for listening. Keep practicing, repeat the phrases out loud, and come back tomorrow so your Gujarati gets stronger, cleaner, and more organized than that poor room ever was.